Mattifying, I'm a Mattifying. Wonder why I do whatever I like. Oh, red like sound like. When you throw me no action, I'm Mattifying, I'm a Mattifying. Like sound like, like sound like.
Welcome back to the channel. We're doing the Ipsy bag review for February this month. Here's the card we have for this month, and it's showing us everything we got. And we're going to test everything out and do a makeup look today. And let's just give you a description of all the products that we got for February. So, first thing I'm going to pull out of my bag is the Purlisse coconut oil and cranberry body butter, and this is from I said it, Purlisse. So I'm just rubbing it on the back of my hand right now to feel the consistency. It doesn't feel like a body butter to me, because body butters are usually kind of thick and creamy. I mean, it's creamy, but it's a more water based, and also it doesn't really have a strong cranberry smell. So I'm just putting this on my face just to moisturize a little bit. Just gonna rub that in before we move on to our next item.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing to have loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see, so look what I got.
So the next item is a makeup brush. It's Eyeshadow Organics Eco-Luxe eyeshadow brush. It has a fluffy end on one side, and then it has a flat end on the other side. So we are going to use this for our eyeshadow look today. And I love that it's black and gold. So we're starting off with Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette. I'm just using the two brown shades at the bottom to go ahead and put as my base for our eyeshadows. So I'm patting it on with the fluffy side, the lighter color, just putting it all over the eye, still on that fluffy side, and then I'm taking the darker color and putting it more in my crease just to deepen it a little, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Okay, so this is what I was most excited about, was the eyeshadow. And this is from Space Case Cosmetics. And what shade is this? I forgot. I have to look it up. I'll put it down below. So it's really, really pretty. It's real shimmery. Oh, it's called No Reception. My bad. So I'm just swatching it for you guys, and the swatch was really pretty. So, but to start off with, in the first part of the eye, I'm going to go back into my Saharan palette and use that middle shade I just pointed at. Now I'm putting it on dry with the flat side, and now I'm just spraying it with my Mario Desco and packing it back on the eye. So I'm basically just carving out my crease with this color, with this white gold color, and just putting that in the beginning. And now I'm going in with the shadow from Space Case and putting that on the rest of the eye that I didn't put any shadow on previously. Now this is dry that I'm putting on, and it's not really giving me the payoff that I want, so I'm going to wet it now and go back. Now I will say, even doing this, it didn't give me the pigment that I wanted. So I'm just trying to build it up to as much intensity as I can. and that's what it's looking like. So I'm going back into a previous color and just going back over top. And now I'm using that light blue shimmer shade and putting that in the middle. And going back in with a pencil brush, just in that brown shade, and I'm just going to go above the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to concentrate the color in there just to deepen the crease. And I'm taking the blending brush we got and just blending it out, and that's what the eye is looking like. So this is the mascara that came in. This is the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara in Carbon Black. I love the applicator brush that is curved. Honestly, mascara doesn't really work for me like that because I don't really have any lashes. But this does not beat my favorite mascara right now, which is the It Superhero Lash. Okay, babes, we're back, and this is with eyeliner and lashes. Now, I did go overboard with liner. It's very dramatic, but I still like it, but I did go overboard. And then we have on our lashes. So this is the look right now. So then I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I will come back and let you know what I think about all the things that we got in the Ipsy bag. So stay tuned. Alright, babe, so we're at the end. I don't know why I can't get my light to work today. Look, I don't know. Okay, so this is our face. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with my ring light, but I might have to switch lights. But this is where our face and everything is complete. So the last and final Ipsy product that we got is Laqa and Company Prickly Pear pH Gloss. And this is a formula adjust to your skin's pH levels, enhancing or softening its pink undertone to create your own custom shade. So we're going to see how this looks by itself, and this is how the gloss looks. Right, so let's see how it looks by itself. With this look, this isn't a look that I would just use a gloss for. It smells good. It smells like peach. It feels good. It's not sticky. You don't get those little streams. It's not sticky. I'm trying to turn you guys up. I don't know. I think it's because I haven't put my background back up, but I think I went a little overboard with the blush too. But it's nice. But since that's not the look I'm going for, I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna do a nude lip, and then I'm gonna top everything with the prickly pear. So we're gonna use black liner. Alright. We are gonna do a nude lip today. Alright, so this is the NK liner. It's just one of the brown lip liner that I got from beauty supply store. So I'm gonna line lips with that. And this is a velvet lippy. This is my absolute New York, and this is in the shade I think it's terracotta. So this is what that looks like. I don't know the shade or the name. It doesn't say. This is like a purpley mauve. It's by Nicole Miller, New York. And I got this. It was like a pack of 5, and it came with matching lip liners. And I got this from where's TJ Maxx? So I think I want to put some of the first shade back on. I don't want to be too pink since the prickly pear already has pink undertones. So this is what the lips look like. Okay. My lighting is just messed up today. So this is what we look like without gloss. And now we're gonna add gloss. So this is what we look like. And I'm gonna spray one more time. Yeah, I don't mind my wig. We'll get it together. So this is what we're looking like. And that was everything that we got in our Ipsy bag. Okay, babe. So out of everything that we got in February, my favorite would have to be the mascara. Love mascara. Love the gloss. These are my top 2 favorites. This month's bag. Love the brush. You can never have too many brushes. Let's see. The body butter. It doesn't really. It feels more watery than buttery. If you know what I mean. Like, you know, most like body butters are like silky, like it's thick. This not thick, it's more on the watery side. It's a little creamy, but not like you would expect a body butter to be. So this was okay. Okay, let's get into the shadows. So the shadow. Love the color, but I just feel like the payoff is not what I wanted. Like, I was like expecting this like really intense blue, which I really didn't get. I mean, the blue showed up, it was there, showed up, but I mean, it just wasn't like knockout, like boom, like in your face like I expected it would be, even when wetting it. But, you know, out of everything, I feel like we got a good bag this month. So that is my final thoughts on that. All right, loves, thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for next month's Ipsy bag, and make sure you subscribe. If you're not, go ahead and do that, and make sure you click that bell so you're notified when I post new uploads, and comment, like, and share, and make sure you comment down anything below that you would like to see, and I hope to see you in my next one.